I'm lost. What can I do to figure out where I am? Which way's north? Which way's south? Oh, we could use magnets. I have one right here. I also have a paper clip. We used this earlier on the robotic arm that picked up the cups. So what we're gonna do to make a compass is we need something that floats. So I have this piece of foam that we cut. This small piece of a paper clip, the way I broke it off is I took it and I bent it back and forth. You can do that, or you can have your parents cut it with a pair of wire cutters for you. But I just bent it back and forth, so I got a little piece that broke off. You're gonna take that piece and a magnet, and you're gonna rub one end of the small piece of paper clip onto the magnet. Make sure that it's an exposed magnet, not covered in plastic or something. It has to be an exposed piece of magnet that you can rub it against. Okay, once you do that a few times, push it into the top of the foam so it'll kind of be above the water line, and then place that in water. As you can see, it aligns with north, which is that way. Pretty awesome, huh? You can also play around with it by putting the magnet close. You'll see it move. You might have to pull it away from the wall of the cup. You could even use the magnet to move it around, but it always goes back to pointing north. So a magnet such as this has two poles, has a north and a south pole. So does the Earth. The Earth has a magnetic north and a magnetic south pole. And lines of magnetism wrap around the Earth from the north and south poles. That keeps a lot of things out, like radiation from the sun. If you've ever seen the Northern Lights, that's radiation interacting with our magnetic atmosphere. So when we rub our piece of metal against the magnet, some of that magnetism comes into the metal of the paperclip. And it's going to face, say if we rub the south side of the magnet, it's going to pick that up. And north and south attract. North and north, they kind of separate from each other. So if we rub it on the south side, it's going to point to north because south is attracted to north. And that's what makes our magnet work. It's always going to point to the opposite pole. So hope you guys have fun with it. Enjoy and play around with it. See if you can find your way around your yard with it.